Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare iceberg lettuce, updated. Rinse the head under cold water, remove outer leaves, then core the lettuce before cutting. Use a sharp knife to make clean cuts and separate wedges for even drying. Pat or spin leaves until crisp, then dress just before serving to keep texture. Store unused lettuce wrapped in a paper towel inside a container to maintain crunch. I will explain the best washing techniques to keep iceberg crisp and bright. Fill a bowl with cold water and gently swish leaves to release dirt and tiny bugs. Avoid long soaks that cause waterlogging and inspect the core for trapped soil. Use a salad spinner or lay leaves between paper towels to dry thoroughly, because dry leaves hold dressing better and stay crunchy during storage. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like for more kitchen tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for hands-free timers, playlist control, and a little kitchen background music while you prep. It pairs well with meal routines and small kitchens for cheerful timing and voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. I will help you choose cutting styles that match your dishes and maximize texture. For wedges, slice the head through the core for sturdy pieces that hold toppings well. For salads or tacos, shred or chop into even pieces for balanced bites. Match cut size to dressing and serving method, and always toss with dressing at the last moment so the lettuce remains crisp and appealing on the plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.